Hello everybody, this is Sachin Yoga again with you to help you fight against the breathing related problems from basic to chronic level. Today we will talk more about asthma, its reasons and cure. Before starting, first we should know more about what asthma exactly is.
अथ क्षमापनम् आवाहनम्
Asthma is a common health problem affecting all age groups and sex. Asthma is caused by inflammation in airways, leads to cough and difficulty in breathing. Now, the question is why it actually happens. It happens when the body reacts to the certain triggers like drugs, smoke, and even exercise.
अथ क्षमापनम् आवाहनम्
During the attack, the person start wheezing and feel the tightening of the chest area. There are two types in which it occurs. The first, when the chemical inside the cells of inner walls of airways get released, this creates inflammation in airways and leads to difficulty due to the contraction of muscles. And the second form, in which the inner walls of airways get swelled up and restrict the breathing.
अथ क्षमापनम् आवाहनम्
Reasons are many, but the commonly known are: the first is the dust mites, which might be present in your pillows, cushions, and the other related forms. Second one is pollens, certain foods, and the weather changes.
अथ क्षमापनम् आवाहनम्
The medication given by the doctors are in two forms. First one is a preventer, and the second one is a reliever. But these are not the permanent solution.
अथ क्षमापनम् आवाहनम्
Now we will switch on to the developed program of Sachin Yoga practiced by the many practitioners, and today the inhaler is no more the part of their lives. The whole program is triple three, that is 3 steps, 3 exercise, and 3 repetitions. Let's start with the first exercise. In the first exercise, you have to inhale maximum. But do remember, when you are inhaling, do not force, just gently inhale as much as you can, like this. After inhalation, you have to hold the breath for 2, 4, or 10 seconds as your capacity. After that, you have to release the whole breath from your mouth, but squeezing your lips a little bit so that it will restrict the outflow of the breath, so that you will release your breath very gently and take time. I'll attempt first one. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. While exhalation, do remember you have to exhale from your stomach as well. Second repetition. Again, inhale from nose. Try to inhale as much as in your lungs. Expand your diaphragm area. Hold for 2, 5, or 10 seconds. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale from mouth very slowly. This time I place my hand on the stomach so that you can see exactly. While exhalation, I was squeezing my stomach very much so that the maximum breath can come out, so that you can reduce the residual volume of your lungs. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because asthma is related to your residual volume and the vital capacity. Once you can increase your vital capacity and reduce your residual volume, you are capable to reduce your asthmatic level. Now we will switch on to the second exercise. It is the same as the first one, but there is a change to increase the vital capacity. You have to inhale in that part, then hold, back bending, then come back to the normal position, then exhale from the right side. The first part of the second exercise, let's get started. For first step of the second exercise, you have to inhale, hold your breath, then back bending, normal to the position, and then exhale from the right side. The first part I'm going to attempt. Breathe. Place your hands on your knees and start bending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back to the normal position, then exhale from the right side. Repeat this exercise for 2 more times. Second step of second exercise. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Place your both hands on your knees. You have to inhale as much as you can. Then bend your back and expand your chest as much as you can. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back to the normal position, then exhale from the right side. And finally, the third workout of this whole sequence is the Anulom Vilom Pranayam, which is effective to increase your vital capacity and reduce the residual volume. Anulom Vilom. Place your right thumb on the right nostril. Inhale from the left side. Exhale from right side. Inhale from right side. Exhale from left side. This is the basic procedure of the whole pranayam. The two things that you have to remember about: first, the maximum inhalation as much as you can, and the second one is the speed. Do as slow as possible. remember, the use of hands are just to change your nostrils. The right hand used in the beginning is just due to reason so that you can close your right nostril first, because in Anulom Vilom Pranayam you have to first breathe from the left side, because the left side is our Chandra Swar and the right side is our Surya Swar. Whenever you start Anulom Vilom Pranayam, you have always start from the Chandra Swar so that you will be more calm, more energetic and more spiritual. This is why we will start this whole pranayam from the left nostril. This is our Chandraswar. And when we are going to exhale the last breath of this whole pranayam, the last exhalation has to be done from the right side, that is our Suryaswar. The basic idea behind the last exhalation from the right side is to exhale the whole anxiety, the whole anger, and the whole problems outside from the body. For regular updates on Sachin Yoga, don't forget to subscribe.